Good morning, student. I am Yogendra Kumar, lecturer, Department of Mechanical Engineering, University Polytechnic, GL University, Mathura. And today I am going to explain the introduction of strength of material, which one of the important subject of mechanical engineering student. In this subject, we will learn about some basic principles of physics like Hooke's law, concept of stress and strain, twisting moment and twisting, torsion, concept of elasticity. So these are basic things which we have to complete in this syllabus. Okay. So this is my zero lecture on strength of material. So first of all, we have to understand about it. What is the strength of material? What is strength of material? So you know that the strength of material is also known as mechanics of material. And in this lecture or in this subject, we will explaining the things which are important to applied force and how can the failure of any plastic deformation and how can we design a structure according to their applied force and their other things. Okay. And the field of the strength of material deals with the force and deformation that result from their acting on a material. Knowledge of this subject is very essential for an engineer in designing the various structure of machine, structure of bridge and the machine elements which are used in our various types of machines. Okay. So module 1 is that in this module we will discuss about the stress and strain like concept of load, stress and strain, tensile, compressive and shear strengths and the concept of elasticity, elastic limit, limit of proportionality, Hooke's law, Young's modulus, modulus of elasticity, nominal stress, stress and strain diagram, yield point, plastic stage or plastic deformation of any body, ultimate strength and breaking stress, percentage of elongation, proof stress, proof strain, working strain and Poisson ratio and shear modulus. So it will be covered in stress and strain topic. And next one is that in module 1 the bending stresses, the concept of bending stresses, theory of simple bending, use of the equation of F upon I, M upon I, Y, E upon R, and also we have to derive this equation by using some basic principles. And in second module, we will discuss about the column and beams and their mode of failures and various types of beam and also we have to analyze their bending moment and shear force diagram when the beam is subjected to simple supported load and also for uniformly distributed load. Okay. And in module 3rd, we will discuss about the torsion and their applications. So you know that the torsion is very important topic for this subject and also we have already completed this topic in our mechanics which is completed in our second or first semester. And next thing is that springs. So you know that spring is a very important tool or important spring is very important machining element which is used to absorb the energy and also release the energy at the time of use. Okay. And the textbooks of this subject is that R.K. Rajput, Strength of Material, which is published by S. Chand and Company, Delhi. That is the front page of this book. Next book is that B.C. Punamiya, Strength of Material, which is published by Lakshmi Publications. And third one is that S. Ramaruttam, Strength of Materials, published by Dhanpat Rai and Company. So that's the front view of this book. So what are the outcomes of this subject? So after the completion of this subject, or after the completion of entire syllabus, you will able to calculate the various types of forces on a body, and also we can apply the law of physics like Hooke's law, and analyze the structure elements for different force system, compute design parameters like SFD and BMD. And third one is that design the compression and tensile elements using engineering principles. And fourth and last one is that conduct experiment to validate physical behavior of materials and also the component of any machine on which we are going to apply the force. So thank you for watching this video, and please note down the syllabus of your this semester. Thank you students.